Morning students, welcome to Sikhya Sanjog Balangir. I Sri Vikas Ranjan Sahu, Assistant Teacher, PR High School Balangir, wishing you a pleasant day. Dear students, all of you know the whole country is locked down. You all are in your home. Stay home and safe. ଏହି ସମୟରେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ପାଠ୍ୟଦାନ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ଆସ ତାହେଲେ ମଜା ନେବା ଅନଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ର। ଏହି କ୍ରମରେ ଆଜି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା ନବମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀର ଇଂଲିଶ ଗ୍ରାମାର। Students, we will discuss about the topic part of sentence. Before going to the topic, we are enjoying a beautiful song. Are you ready, students? Okay, then let us enjoy the song. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Okay, students, are you enjoying the song? You definitely enjoy the song. Thank you. Now come to the topic, part of sentence. Before knowing parts of sentence, at first we know what is sentence. अर्थात वाक्य कौन? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. The sentences made of words is a meaningful expression. We express our ideas, feelings, views, etc. in sentences. अर्थात मनर भावकु जे संपूर्ण रूपे प्रकाश करि थाए ताहाकु आमे वाक्य कहि थाउ. Now let us know parts of sentence. A sentence has two essential parts. One is subject and another is predicate. Now, what is subject? What or whom the sentence is about, अर्थात वाक्य जहाँक विषय कुहा जाए ताहाकु सब्जेक्ट बा कर्ता कुहा जाए. The second part is predicate. The part that tells something about the subject is called predicate. A subject is a noun or a pronoun. It may be just one word or more than one word. The predicate tells about the subject in action. It may also be one word or more than one word. Command sentences mostly do not mention the subject. However, it is implied that the subject is you. For example, go there. That means you go there. Here, subject is you and the predicate is go there. Now, how can you identify the subject and the predicate in interrogative sentence? For example, what is the aim of your life? Here, what is subject and is the aim of your life is predicate. Take another example. What makes you laugh? Here, you is the subject and what makes laugh is predicate. Dear students, now let us watch a video on subject and predicate.
Subject and predicate. A complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. For example, people from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower.
In this sentence,
People from all nations
is the naming part, also called the subject. The subject tells whom or what the sentence is about.
The subject is either a noun or a noun phrase.
All the words in the subject are together called the complete subject.
The other part of the sentence, that is, go to see the Eiffel Tower, is the telling part, also called the predicate. The predicate tells something about the subject. It begins with a verb. All the words in the predicate are together called the complete predicate.
Here are some different examples of subject and predicate. In the first sentence, Ramchandra ruled over Ayodhya for many years. Here, Ramchandra is subject and ruled over Ayodhya for many years is predicate. In the second sentence, a little girl is walking along the road. Here, a little girl is subject and is walking along the road is predicate. Third sentence, Ashok sat down to eat his lunch. Here, Ashok is subject and sat down to eat his lunch is predicate. In sentence 4, Rosie and Lily are cycling. Here, Rosie and Lily is called subject and are cycling is predicate. Last sentence, my uncle has a dog. Here, my uncle is subject and has a dog is predicate. The head word of the subject is a noun and the head word of the predicate is a verb. I hope so, students, you have understood the topic subject and predicate very briefly. Here are some questions for you. Please practice it. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next class.